Kia ora koutou, ko Jo Randerson, tōku ingoa, no Pōneke ahau. Ko Geronimo rāua ko Casper, aku tama, who you just caught me out here trying to flatten the curve, which is not an easy thing to do, especially when you live on a slope. It's a bit like making art, really, hard work. And if you take a closer look at work, you'll see that it's not always very fair, is it? Like some people get paid a lot for what they do and some people not very much, and some people do work without even getting paid at all because our society has been set up to value some things a lot more than others. And this global crisis is making us question what we do value, and that's a good thing because there are ways that our species is behaving that are hitting some people much harder than others. Take it easy, guys! And that are destroying the planet we all depend on. So this crisis is an opportunity to rethink the world we want to live in and how we could give everyone a fair go. It's a bit like the old Greek story of Pandora's box. They open it up and once all the bad things have come out, then they found hope inside. Okay, well, I guess you can't get it every time, but or maybe that's an old story. Maybe we need a new story. Or maybe the metaphor is about using the emptiness as a time to grow some awesome ideas for the benefit of all people. To be honest, I'm not sure what the metaphor is about, but I do know that things are going to have to change. So let's make sure they change fairly. Let's not go back to business as usual because there were a lot of people it wasn't working for, and it certainly wasn't working for the planet.